Hello guys, in this video we will learn this type of container and how to insert image in that container and how to create that border outside. Let's create now. Here let's see in this video container widget. And what is a container widget? Container is nothing but a box. So container having different types of constraints like margin, padding, and so many are there. Let's see here. We can also by using align we can align the container. So now remove this code without. So now remove this code and now write from first. Just type import flutter package material dot dot. Next we are writing void main that accepts the flat arrow. Flat arrow can run the app, won't run the app. That run the app is first class. Put semicolon and come here. Create one stateless widget. Stateless widget. Right here first class name, and here we want to return the material app. First material app. Here we return the material app, and next here we want home. For home we are giving the another, we are creating another stateless widget. So I am giving here second class. So we are creating here down another stateless widget. It is second. That's it. Now no errors. Here we returning the one container. That container is returning. Just go and run the app. Let's see what is the output. So here is the output. Some black screen is came. Here we are writing the scaffold. Now scaffold, remove the container and write the scaffold, that is white page. We are writing the white page. See, output is came in fraction of seconds, that is flutter magic. Scaffold is came, and now we want the body. In body we want create a one container. Here we created one container. For that container we are giving the height. Height is I am giving 100. I am giving 300, and width is 300. See, it is created one container. It is not visible. So I am giving the one color. For that colors dot green. I am giving green. Let's see here. Container is created now. You want this container to the center. Just wrap with container center. It is coming to the center. Here I am giving the in that container some text, that is we are creating one child in that, and we are giving one text in that container, that is hello world. See here hello world is came output. We want to come that center. Just wrap with center like that. It is coming to the center. Here we want to come the test in test direction. We will also use test direction And next we want to write test direction dot left to right or right to left. Here left to right or right to left. Here we are using center widget, so it is not working. Just remove this center. Here let's see here, from left to right it is coming here. Just change it right to left. Just see here, it is coming from this end, from right to left. That is working. So here we also use padding. Padding is nothing but one widget represent to the another widget. Distance from the widget outermost the margin is called padding. Means distance between one container to the another container to the outermost margin is called padding. So that we are creating now padding. Just wrap with bulb and wrap with padding. Here padding will come. Wrap with padding to the 10, just coming to the here, or else we are giving 30, it is coming to the center like that. Just remove this point. You can also give like that also. I am giving here 100, is coming to the center like that. We can also giving to the padding. Edge insets means these sides all. We can also use edge insets only, dot only. You can also use only also. For only it is accepting. See here, coming here only from left and double left, top, right, bottom, like this it is accepting. We want to take like that. So I am not using only, so that I am using all. I am not using only, so that I am using only all. I am giving 100. Just here output is came to the center, and now we are writing from, we are created now one container. In that container we are created one test, and now we are creating this container as the circle, so that we want to create the first container. Here we want to decorate the box, so that we creating the decoration. From that we are creating the box decoration. It is showing error, so that in whenever we are using box decoration, the color should not go outside, so that we cut this color and put into the decoration. So it is working now. Whenever using box decoration, we want to use the color inside the box decoration only, so that it does not show error. Now we are creating the container shape. Shape is box shape. For what shape we want? Shape is box shape dot circle dot rectangle, like that we can use. We want circle, so that box shape dot circle, it will come circle. See here how it is good. Now we can use border to the circle. You can also use here border dot all, or else we can also give only also border dot all. I am giving here border dot all. What is accepting? it is accepting width, so we can write width. Width is I am giving 5. See here, it is automatically taken black color. I doesn't like black, so that I am writing the color. We are giving the color for that color. Colors dot, from that colors we are taking the orange or else anything. See here, it is coming border like that. How to insert the image? Just writing image. We are taking the decoration image. From that decoration image we are taking the image and asset image. We told in previous videos we can also use asset image like this also. Here we want to give the path. We are already imported some files. Here download and JPG images, and now here we want to import that files. Download .jpg. See here, this photo is came now. It is look like bad, so we want to fill that container, so that we are writing the here box fit. Here fit, here put comma, fit box fit dot fill. It is taking the image to the entire circle, so that it is looking good. Just I am changing now another image. Let's see here how it is look like. It is looking bad, so I am changing the another image. See here, it is look like good, so that we are created now image in the container. That's it. All containers constraints we learn in this video. So many constraints we learn in further videos. Definitely more advanced tutorial, more constraints. Let's see next video how to styling the widget. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.